Good morning everybody, welcome back to another video. Right now it's about 6:45 in the morning. Today we're going to test a lens. It's a 100-400 G Master lens. I actually have TC2, the teleconverter, 2 times. I'm going to test it out for like birds and wildlife photography. So we are here. This is Jason. Alright guys, I tested out the lens with the A6400 camera. The autofocus is extremely fast without the TC2 converter. The autofocus becomes a bit slow when shooting with TC2. This is because the aperture number becomes double. At 100% crop, 2 times converter image becomes soft compared to 1.4 times TC. Anyway, when shooting without teleconverter, the image reproduced is extremely sharp. This lens is very versatile for any kind of wildlife photography, with the variable zoom of course. Alright guys, that's it for the short review, and now we continue for the vlog. Okay, slightly change of scene. So we are on board Jason's car. So we actually going to find something to eat, and surprisingly we are from Tuaran to Tenggilan. That's fine.
We to look for something to eat. Kota Belut special chicken soup, miso.
And the people actually queuing up for the bang until here. Look at that. Here. The bang is there right here. Bilang and miso Kota Belut. Chicken feet.
Kita lagi sebelah. Saya pun atau kalau mana sudah ketemu.
Sedap.
Makes me sleepy.
It's very good. Satisfying.